another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check them out. Their web store, hessenantique.com, and let's get right to it. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And it's not a big box. I do believe we ordered a bunch of stuff. I think that's the best way to open this. Guess we'll just cut right through there. I don't think I'm hitting the right. There we go. Okay. Slice through that. Okay, let's get out the manifest. Get that off. Okay. Oh, interesting. It's all in the bag. Nice. Everything's in bags. Okay, so I'm just going to take a whole bunch of stuff out here. Get this out of the way. So, real quick, we got, in a sealed packet. No, I don't want to open it. This is, I guess, from Rothko. Made in India. Interesting. Rothko canvas sewing kit. And it has a little grommet there. Let's see if I'm careful to open this so I can save the bag. Nice, that worked out. So let's check the contents real quick. Opens up like a wallet. Made in India. 100% cotton. Got our needles, pins. We got a pocket right there, so we can store other stuff. Possibly these that I ordered separately. Velcro sealing this. Is there anything in here? Nope, this is just padded just so that you can actually stage your needles and pins. Nice little pin cushion there. Contents in the pocket here are, carefully take them out. Oh crap. Okay, looks like these are set up for sewing machines actually. Can be added to the spools easier. So we got 3 colors of thread: olive, I don't know if you can see that, black, and white. So we're getting a little bit of glare from the light, but let's see if we can adjust that a little bit there. So 3 spools of thread, put those right back. Try to tuck that in so it doesn't get caught in the Velcro again. 1 safety pin. 1 big button. Okay, that helps, I guess. And very tall, very tiny scissors. Folding scissors. Interesting. With, looks like Chinese on there. Might be mistaken. Oh, okay, just kind of opens that way. Wow, these are tiny, but very cool. See if I can get this out of here. Okay, yeah, folding scissors. I haven't used these in a while, so it's that. Come on. There we go. Oh, they're rather stiff. but that's how they work. Okay, let's go back over the blade area. And tuck that right back in the plastic later on. So, okay, Rothko canvas sewing kit. And we have some, feels like a sort of like parachute cord, but not really. I have no idea. Looks like just basic rope type cord. Set that aside for now. Oh, I might be wrong. It might be another safety pin. Is that the same one? Did I miss? That's the same. Nope, it's two. There's two. Okay. 2 safety pins, 1 button, scissors, 3 spools of thread. Alright, set that aside. Also ordered olive buttons, medium, normally sold individually, but I got 25 of the mediums. You can see those there. And they do look like exactly the ones I wanted. And then I also got olive buttons large. I believe these are 18 millimeter, and I believe these are 21 millimeters in diameter. So I got 25 of those as well. So in projects, we also got, what do we got here? A couple of patches. Got our French PVC rubber flag patch insignia. You can see it's got Velcro backing, and you can sort of see from the shadowing the raised letters. They're raised quite high. Also got one of their Hessen Antique morale patches. Also got hook backing. And then we also got some German G3 rifle plastic muzzle covers. So those typically fit a number of NATO standard muzzles. And we're going to get to some of these caps here. Let's see what we got here. Got a Swiss Camo M83 field cap used. Medium. I got 2 of them. So I wanted to match them up with a couple of camo sets that I have. And they fit. Nice. Yep. You can see the color. Got your reds, khaki, foliage green kind of, and black for the M83 pattern. I guess we're going to go to page 2 on my manifest here. We have a Slovak M97 camo field cap, used medium. Let's see, we have the button kind of brim protector holder, grommets on the sides, for ventilation, kind of a band that goes all around the middle, the logo, so this round reinforced area, kind of a stiff brim, but it is pretty solid. You can see from the internal. I don't see a label. We got a kind of a khaki headband that goes around. Try it out for fit, and yes, it fits. Nice. And our last item, it is Sturm, made in the Czech Republic. Let's see, Tonak, Nový Hessen, 1999, 58 to 59, the Czech crossed swords, laundry care, and 50% bavuna, 50% polyester, so half and half mix. Looks like at some point there was an insignia there. Probably get a replacement for that. That'd be pretty cool. And we got a Velcro backing portion right there. Buttons are on the inside here, 2 of them, and then these can flap down and cinch under your chin. See if I can get my fingers to work on that. like so. Styly. 2 buttons there, 2 button holes there, stiff brim. Not as large as, say, the Slovak one. You can see the size difference. So it's kind of a short brim. Trying it on, and it fits me. Nice. So I did pretty good on the sizing. And this will flap down and cover your back of your head too for extra warmth and keep some of the moisture off during inclement weather. So working backwards, this was the Czech M95 camo field cap used. Slovak M97 camo field cap. We also have 2 of the Swiss camo M83 field caps. Hessen Antique morale patch. French PVC rubber flag patch. That's just a bag. Close this knife for safety. 5 of the G3 rifle muzzle covers, 25 each of the large 21mm olive buttons, 25 of the 18mm medium olive drab buttons, and we started off with a Rothko Soldier's sewing kit. So these all came from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check them out at hessenantique.com. A large variety of items in stock, and feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific items, whether they be vintage, milsurp, or tool type items. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, as well as curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.